In front of me is Nothing Foundry a Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll, and most people miss and that you should click on all of those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories, like colors, to see all available options your device has to offer when it comes to keyboard's theme. After checking all of them, tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher to turn them off or switch them on, and tap on Apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my theme was successfully changed, but you can also customize it. If you wanna do it now, click on the same icon and tap on +1 under My Themes. Then click on a photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. To edit it, click on the same icon, tap on your theme, and use this pen at the top right corner. Then make any changes you want. Hit Save and make sure to tap on Apply to save your changes. If you wanna get rid of any of your themes, click on it and tap on this pin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!